LeEco Le S3, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 #*#. And as you can see now, we are in testing mode performed by Google, where you can locate phone information, battery details, usage statistics, Wi-Fi info, and also LeEco key. So let's start with the first tab, which is phone information. Here you can come along with email number, phone number. If you have your SIM card included, then you can perform a ping test here. Just tap on the tab and then you've got the solution below, and just come along with all details included in this tab. Let me go back. Then under battery information, you can read your battery status, plugged in, battery level, battery health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. Then under user statistics, you will have all the details regarding your application. So if you would like to check, for example, usage time, smoothly open this tab and select the application that you would like to check. Under Wi-Fi information, you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. And then you can also check LeEco key smoothly by tapping on the tab, and here you can read it. So let me go back. That would be all for this first code. And let's go to the second one, and it's *##, *759, ***. And now we are in the back menu, where you can locate brand code, unique device ID, activation event sent, and many other useful information. So you can also check pings, events, and client ID right here. Let me close it. Then another code is *##, *426, ***. And here we are in diagnostic mode, where you can come along with events and status. So smoothly enter this shortcode and then come along with so advanced details. And then we've got *##, *225, ***. And this code will enable you to have all information from the calendar stored in one place. So if you would like to check holidays, or if you would like to check some important celebrations, important dates, enter this code and you can come along all of them right here. As you can see, just click, and here you've got events 2042, then event 7, and we have nothing on local. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily check the calendar. And another code is *##06. And as you can see now, you can come along with both email numbers assigned to your device. So if you would like to provide someone with your email number, or if you would like to check your device in some online checker, smoothly enter this code and then be aware what your email number is. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly, and easily use all secret codes in your LeEco Le S3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.